guys. Yeah, I'm here today, and I'm going to show to you how we can scrape phone numbers from not directly from ZoomInfo, but outside of ZoomInfo using my program, using the program that I created. And this program is what I call findphone.py. It's it is There is a Python program created to fetch all phone number associated to ZoomInfo if those person or owners, CEO, CTO, CMO, CFO, controllers, president, vice president, directors, coordinates or coordinator, operator. So if those names are really associated with or if they have or ZoomInfo have their details, then we can scrape those. Okay, and let's get on with it. Okay, I'm going to open my app. Okay, and that's hold on. Find phone.py. Okay, okay. Here's the program that I'm using to as you can see you can send this document or this data to HubSpot, to Agency Zoom, and also to Salesforce, and it's integrated, although you have to have your API key to be able to send all those details to your CRM. Okay, and I'm going to load the Excel sheet. The Excel sheet is here. Okay, hold on. Here is the Excel sheet. So I put ZoomInfo in here in this column, and the names of the people are located on the left side, which is the header's name, and then company name and phone number. Okay, I put ZoomInfo here to open the browser so that it will going to direct the attention or the platform that we're going to use to get those numbers from from search engine like Bing search, Google search, and other search engine. But we are going to use Bing search because it doesn't have any hard anti-bot feature, or they have anti-bot feature, but they're going to limit. I mean, it will not going to limit our search. It will go because this scraper going to search, find, and extract the phone numbers. Okay, it has already been saved. Okay, and I've saved. Hold on, I'm going to save this on test scrape. Okay, to make sure. Okay, let's get on. I'm going to load the Excel sheet, and I'm going to go to documents, test. Okay, and here it goes. Alright, Excel. Okay, as you can see, it loads the company name, the name of the user, or the name of the if that's CEO or any kind of executives or higher tier. Okay, then it's searching right now without clicking on the start scraping. Okay, now we're going to click on the start right now. Okay, it will going to open the Selenium browser, and it will going to get the phone number, as you can see. Okay, let me this one so you can see some portion or some what you call this information or names will going to be tagged as not found because some of their information are not in ZoomInfo. But you can once all the phone numbers are already been scraped, as you can see these are how many? Hold on, that's 200 276 276 rows, and it will going to scrape all of the phone number associated to them in ZoomInfo. Okay, this will not going to take long, so we're going to wait for it. As you can see, there's a scroll in here, and there's an export to CSV file. Stop. If you want to stop and then resume, you can do that. And as you can see, it will going to get. Usually, this scraper we're going to check first. The first in the line. This one. This info here. Okay. If there's none, it will going to. As you can see, it. If you're going to search this on Google or on Bing search, it will not going to show up. All right, it will not going to be this kind of view. Okay, but with using my scraper, it will going to um, what you call this show the hidden files or hidden elements inside Google inside Bing. Okay. Okay. Names. Okay. You can see we'll just to know that the name is Josette Vance. As you can see, there's a phone number. Here's the phone number. All right. So if you are doing lead generation, call outbound, reaching out to people, I mean, you can use this application that I've created to be able to get all the details. As long as you have you have the name of the CEO, right? And just put the company name like zoominfo.com, or if you want to get the name in apollo.io or lucia.com, you can also do that, right? But this one we're going to use ZoomInfo because almost everybody wants to get a piece of information from ZoomInfo, but the problem is the price. It's really hard. I mean their plans or their subscription plans are really pricey, right? But this one, if you're really into lead generation, then you can definitely get their phone numbers without a doubt. Okay, and it will going to give you these are not gatekeepers phone numbers. Okay, these are direct phone numbers to the owners or to the what you call this, to the president. Okay, and CEO or any high tier people in the company. Okay, as you can see, I've already proved to you that's already been scraping. So I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to close it so that just send me a message, send me an email, or write a comment on my on this video. Follow me if you want to follow me. Subscribe and like the video. Share to your friends who are into lead generation, so that we can help them get these phone numbers from ZoomInfo. Especially ZoomInfo is really pricey. That you cannot just what you call this pay for their subscription plan. Okay, and if you're interested, I'm also a freelancer, and I can do this for you. I can provide you the information that you want. If you have the what you call this, the CEOs or the person in in the company that you want to get their phone numbers, I can give that to you using this program. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, and have a good one.